in Italy, we can classify three specific cases. The first one is when you're performing an activity recognized from the public, from the Italian state. All those activities that are officially registered in a public registry, which in Italian called albo, and those activities I'm referring to lawyers, accountants, architects or engineers. So in case you need to, for example, build a bridge, of course you have to be certified in the kind of job, because it's if you build a bridge for the public roads, of course you have to build it in the proper way. So your profession has to be registered in a specific registry, and you have to provide an official public exam to be qualified as an engineer, for example. I'm just giving you an example. So all those kind of profession officially recognized from the Italian state, they pay their own type of social contribution. Okay, so most likely if you're a foreigner, you don't really fall in this category. So it's not so important for you, but just for you to understand how is the structure of the social contribution. The second type is the social contribution for general consultant. If you're a classical self-employed, you provide consultancies of any kind of subject, but it not belongs to any of the previous type of work that we have just said, then the amount of money to pay for the social contribution is on percentage. What does it mean? It means that if you don't earn nothing, you don't pay nothing in social contribution. So there is nothing to be paid regardless your revenue. Okay, in some countries this is a mandatory. In some other countries they follow these rules only in percentage. In Italy it depends. In Italy, if you are a general consultant, you don't have to pay a fixed amount of money per year, but you pay this percentage, which is today in 2021, and maybe in 2022 would be quite the same. It's almost 26%, which is quite big if you think about it. So Italy, it's really charged a lot from social contribution and pension. This is for general cases. And then we have the third case. The third case is when you pay a fixed amount of money of social contribution. Okay? And this category in Italian is called commercianti/artigiani. So this is the name. If you want to looking for this kind of status, you can also type on Google by yourself, and this is the Italian word that you have to put on Google. So to search by yourself, and maybe if you like, you can search other information about it. You can investigate a little bit more, because here I'm just going to give you a general vision, but there are some specificities, some kind of situation where this amount of money can be reduced or is a little bit different. And the previous one, the percentage, it's called gestione separata.